Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to listen to songs together in long distance relationship. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this you can simply use Discord with music bots. You can create a Discord server and invite your partner and add a music bot like Rhythm or Groovy to the server. You can use the bots command to play playlists or music, or the other method to listen to songs together in a long distance relationship with a partner is by simply tapping on your Play Store. So once you tap open your Play Store or your App Store, you can simply go and tap on your search bar. And in the search bar, you can search for the app called Groik. So apps like Groik specialize in listening to music together while chatting. So these apps often have features for searching and playing songs, creating playlists, and interact with others. So for this you can simply use it on by linking your Spotify account, and this will allow you to listen songs with your partner without even having to pay for Spotify Premium. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.